In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle child support and wage garnishments in QuickBooks Payroll. If you need to set up a payroll deduction for a court-ordered payment, QuickBooks Desktop makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to go. The key is to create the deduction correctly first, and then attach it to the right employee so it pulls into payroll automatically. Start by opening QuickBooks Desktop and signing into your company file. Once you're inside the correct company, go to the top menu and click Lists. From there, choose Payroll Item List. This is where QuickBooks stores the payroll items used for earnings, taxes, and deductions. Next, click Payroll Item, then select New. When the Setup window opens, choose Custom Setup and click Next. Custom Setup gives you more control, which is important for something like child support or a wage garnishment, since these deductions often need to follow specific legal instructions. On the next screen, select Deduction, then click Next again. Now enter a clear name for the payroll item, such as child support or wage garnishment. Using a simple, recognizable name will make it easier to identify later when you're reviewing employee records or payroll reports. After that, complete the payroll item setup using the instructions provided by the court or agency, and then click Finish. This part matters because the details in the order determine how the deduction should be handled. Make sure you enter the information carefully so the withholding is applied properly during payroll processing. Once the deduction item has been created, go to Employees and open the Employee Center. Select the employee who needs this deduction. In that employee's profile, open the Payroll Info tab. Then look for the section called Additions, Deductions, and Company Contributions, and add the new deduction payroll item you just created. Now, enter the deduction amount or limit exactly as specified in the court order, then click OK to save your changes. Be careful here, because this is what tells QuickBooks how much to withhold from the employee's pay. With the setup complete, you can process payroll as usual. QuickBooks will automatically apply the deduction to the employee's paycheck based on the information you entered. That helps reduce manual work and makes payroll more consistent. Before finalizing payroll, it's always a good idea to double-check the employee setup and confirm the deduction appears correctly on the paycheck preview. That extra review can help catch mistakes before payroll is submitted. Thanks for watching.